everyone. If you've just moved to the US, getting your social security number is one of the first things you need to do. In this lesson, you learn useful English phrases and dialogues for real-life situations at the Social Security office.
At the Social Security office. Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hi, I just arrived in the US and I need to apply for a social security number.
Okay. Do you have an appointment or are you walking in today?
I don't have an appointment. I just came in.
No problem. Please take a number from the kiosk and wait for your turn.
Thank you. How long is the wait?
It usually takes about 20 to 30 minutes. We'll call your number when it's your turn.
Okay, thank you so much.
At the Social Security office, when it's your turn. Number 42, please come to window 3.
Hello, that's my number.
Hi there. How can I help you today?
I'd like to apply for a social security number.
Sure. May I see your passport and immigration documents, please?
Here you go.
Thank you. Are you a permanent resident or do you have a visa?
I'm a permanent resident.
Great. Please fill out this form and sign your name at the bottom.
Okay. Do I need to bring any photos?
No, that's not necessary. We'll use your information from the system.
Thank you. How long will it take to get my social security card?
It usually takes about 2 weeks. Your card will be mailed to your address.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Have a nice day.
Asking about a Social Security card that hasn't arrived yet. Social Security Administration, how may I help you today?
Hello. I applied for my Social Security number about 3 weeks ago, but I haven't received my card yet.
I see. May I have your full name and date of birth, please?
Sure. My name is Ava Wilson, and my date of birth is June 25th, 1992.
Thank you. Can you also confirm your mailing address?
Yes, it's 890 Pine Road, Houston, Texas.
Thank you for confirming. According to our system, your card was mailed about 10 days ago. Sometimes it takes up to 2 weeks to arrive.
I see. So if I don't get it next week, what should I do?
If you don't receive it within the next 14 days, please call us again or visit your local SSA office.
Got it. Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Have a nice day.
Thank you so much for watching and learning with me. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more real-life English conversations. See you next time.